Hi everyone, it's Tara with Secretbees Studio, and I'm going to give you a walkthrough today of this adorable house mini album that actually opens up to reveal even more cuteness inside. For this mini album, I've used the Simple Stories So Happy Together paper collection. This collection features an amazing pattern paper mix of floral stripes, dots, and plaids, along with beautiful coordinating embellishments. This fun and fabulous album was designed by Frances Long at Your Book of Memories, and she has a great tutorial on how to construct this and make one of your very own. Here's the top or roof of the house mini album, and you take this off to reveal a pretty side underneath that is perfect for photos. The house is open at the center and has 4 sides that all fit together snugly and beautifully. I've decorated each side with some of the beautiful embellishments from this So Happy Together collection from Simple Stories. There are just so many cute and wonderful stickers and chipboard pieces that you will find in this collection. Then you simply untie the closure and the mini album opens up fully and lays flat, and you can see all 4 of the adorable sections. The first section has 2 doors with a tie closure that open up to reveal a photo spot and a couple of areas for journaling or mementos. Close those back up, and then you can flip the whole front section down to open up another part of the album. This part showcases another photo spot and a pocket page. I just put a small journaling tag into the pocket. The second section is super interesting and full of flaps that open up to give you lots of room for photos or journaling. And then they finally open up to reveal a cascading series of photo flips. This album is perfect to show off a gorgeous paper collection like this one from Simple Stories. The third section has a sweet little pocket on the front that will hold even more. Here I've just added some photo cards that I made using some of the super cute 4x4 and 3x4 element cards of the collection. But wait, we are not finished with this section. Close this pocket and then flip one direction and then the other to reveal even more places for photos. And then the whole pocket section opens up to another photo spot and a hidden pocket that holds a super cute little tag. Finally, the last section has a top piece that folds down to reveal another photo flip perfect for lots of photos. Then you flip that piece up and there is another pocket that holds yet another adorable tag. Isn't this album amazing? So much room for memories and such an adorable way to store them. Again, you can find this amazing tutorial at yourbookofmemories.com, and this is just one of many wonderful and beautiful paper collections from Simple Stories. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye.